Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Artist Drawers is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any artist, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting your creative journey. These versatile storage solutions are designed to keep your art supplies organized, accessible, and protected, ensuring that your focus remains on your craft rather than rummaging through cluttered spaces. From pencils and paints to brushes and canvases, the right set of drawers can transform your workspace into an efficient and inspiring haven, allowing your creativity to flow without interruption. Number 5. U.S. Art Supply Large Beech-Wood French Easel. Experience the classic French design in this versatile easel. It easily converts from a field easel to a studio stand, complete with a convenient storage drawer. This sturdy yet lightweight easel is fully adjustable to any angle and can accommodate canvases up to 34 inches. It folds compactly for easy transport, featuring a comfortable handle and shoulder strap. Keep all your art supplies neatly organized with its 4-compartment storage. The interior, along with the space below the drawer, is perfect for sketch pads, paints, brushes, and more. Despite its generous size when open, it folds down to a compact form. The adjustable legs with rubber feet ensure stability on any surface, making it user-friendly for everyone. Crafted from high-quality German beechwood with a natural oil finish, this easel provides stable and functional support for all your painting and display needs. It also comes with an 18-inch wooden palette, ready for you to start creating. What we like? This offers a classic French easel design with a convenient sketchbox. If you are looking for a versatile easel that can be used both in the studio and outdoors, this is a great choice. It provides ample organized storage for all your art supplies. What people say? The drawers are deep and hold a lot of art supplies. The wood is sturdy and well-made, not flimsy at all. The wheels make it easy to move around the studio. Number 4. MEEDEN 10-Drawer Beechwood Artist Supply Storage Box. Introducing the MEEDEN 10-Drawer Beechwood Artist Supply Storage Box. Keep all your art essentials neatly organized and easily accessible. With its large capacity and clear partition classification, this organizer is perfect for a wide range of art supplies. Store everything from pencils and markers to brushes and stamps with ease. Crafted from high-quality, hand-sanded beechwood with finger-joint construction, this organizer is as durable as it is attractive. It's a versatile addition to any artist's workspace. Each drawer features 5 separate compartments, preventing items from rolling and keeping categories distinct. The drawers remove fully for convenient access and use at your workspace. This organizer is designed to make your creative process more enjoyable and relaxing. Spend less time searching and more time creating with this beautifully functional storage solution. Measuring 15 to 3/4 W x 9 to 3/4 D x 10 to 3/4 H, it fits seamlessly into your studio. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, we offer a hassle-free refund or replacement. What we like? This features a generous 10-drawer system for clear classification of your art supplies. If you have a large collection of pencils, markers, or pastels and need a dedicated, organized space for them, this is the perfect solution. The removable dividers offer flexibility in organizing different types of items. What people say? The drawers are spacious and hold a lot of art supplies. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my studio decor. The drawers glide smoothly, making them easy to open and close. Number 3. MEEDEN Wood Artist Supply Storage Box. Crafted from high-quality beechwood with a finger-joint structure, this art box is built for durability. Its deep walnut finish adds a touch of elegance to any studio space, enhancing its artistic ambience. We've paid meticulous attention to every detail, from the exquisite metal handle to the hand-sanded surfaces. Both the interior and exterior are smooth, ensuring a refined finish without any rough edges. Need to work with just a few supplies? The drawers are fully removable, allowing you to take only what you need. This makes accessing your materials and cleaning the box incredibly convenient. This organizer is more than just storage, it can also serve as a drawing board or a decorative piece. Plus, multiple units can be stacked to maximize your creative space efficiently. Measuring 15.75 by 9.75 by 6.5 inches, this compact wooden box offers ample storage. It's perfect for artists to neatly organize pastels, brushes, pens, pencils, and other essential art tools. What we like? This boasts a stylish deep walnut finish and a sturdy beechwood build. If you appreciate aesthetics in your workspace and need a versatile organizer, this is ideal. The removable drawers offer convenience, and its stackable nature makes it perfect for maximizing space in smaller studios. What people say. Very well made, attractive, extremely functional, and cat-proof. They're amazing storage pieces for my art studio, and they give it a classy, professional look. The drawers are perfect for my watercolors, pencils, and dried, pressed florals. The top perfectly holds my camera card readers and external hard drives. The drawers, especially in the deep walnut color, are stunning, lightweight, hold tons of my supplies, both oil pastels, Neocolor 2 crayons, colored pencils, pastel pencils, blending stumps, and more, and make moving supplies around my desk incredibly easy. Number 2. MEEDEN Large Adjustable Artist Tabletop Sketchbox Easel. Crafted from premium German beechwood, this easel is built to last for decades. Its reinforced construction and elegant design ensure both durability and style for your creative space. Keep your art supplies organized with 3 well-designed drawers offering ample storage. Secure clasps and dovetail joints prevent any spills, making transport worry-free. Adjust the angle to 4 different positions for ultimate comfort during long painting sessions. Non-slip rubber feet provide stability, whether you're working indoors or outdoors. This easel is compact, collapsible, and features a leather handle for easy carrying. Its lightweight yet sturdy design makes it perfect for studios, classrooms, or outdoor adventures. MEEDEN is dedicated to your artistic success with high-quality supplies. We stand by our products, so you can always rely on us to support your creative journey. What we like. This is a premium German beechwood tabletop easel with convenient storage drawers. If you prefer working on a desk or table and need an easel that offers comfortable viewing angles and organized storage for brushes and paints, this is an excellent option. Its portability also makes it suitable for various settings. What people say. It has a pop-up easel on the top with an adjuster at the back of it to lower it or raise it in a few different positions. The drawers have secure latches on each side to keep them in place when traveling so your art supplies don't fall out. It is beautiful made. Very well made. Number 1. HG Art Concepts 4-Drawer Artist's Chest. Enhance your studio's aesthetic with its beautiful natural birch finish. It seamlessly complements your existing furniture and easels, creating a cohesive look. Keep your delicate brushes safe in the foam-lined shallow drawers. Deeper drawers include removable dividers for versatile organization of all your supplies. Built with robust wood, this organizer is designed for durability and stability. It's a reliable choice for storing all your creative essentials. Easily access your materials with the convenient removable drawers. This feature enhances your project efficiency, whether you're organizing art or sewing supplies. Maximize your storage with its space-saving stackable design. It's perfect for tight areas, helping you keep your workspace tidy and organized. What we like. This offers a natural birch finish with specialized foam-lined drawers for delicate items like brushes. If you are looking for an organizer that prioritizes the protection of your tools and offers flexible storage solutions with removable dividers, this is a strong contender. Its stackable design is perfect for optimizing space in any art studio. What people say. They are made of actual, real wood, except for the drawer bottoms, which are masonite. They look great, they work smoothly, and they are exactly as described. The dividers are removable. I got the set with a 4-drawer unit and a 3-drawer, and they stack nicely. The drawers are very nice with a variety of dividers for different sorts of supplies. It is attractive as well. This is a well-crafted, sturdy wooden storage chest that does not take up much room, can be stacked, and will fit almost any decor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.